Cindy from Cindy's Home Kitchen, and behind the camera, my son Mike.
Hey.
This is a tip for Veterans Day for all of you out there. And in case you're making lasagna today, this is a little tip when making lasagna. Make sure that besides oiling the bottom of the pan where you're gonna make a lasagna, this is just a small lasagna that I'm gonna make for the family. It's always good to put a little bit of the meat and the sauce that you're gonna fill your lasagna with in the bottom of the pan prior to loading your noodles.
Now,
and
why
I'm
is
gonna
that?
tell you why. Because this will avoid for the noodles when you put. You see, mine were drying to stick to the pan. So make sure that you put, besides putting the oil on the pan, I'm gonna put mine like this, but I'm gonna cut him on the edges. We have made this before. Don't forget that it's very important that you oil, and then you can put a little bit of the sauce and the meat in the bottom of the pan prior to starting to load up your noodles, and that will avoid the sticking of the noodles. So with that, I'm gonna let you guys go. Happy Veterans Day to everybody out there, and to all the people that went and died in the war for us. Great job. Love you all. And I hope you guys have a great Veterans Day, and don't drink and drive, and don't forget to subscribe and keep on watching Cindy's Home Kitchen with Cindy and Michael. Thanks for watching.